right, welcome to JetBoat Video's first unboxing video. I just ordered a couple boxes of parts from HTP Performance, and I thought it'd be cool to do a little video on it. And also, one of the parts in here, we're going to be doing a giveaway, so stick around on how to enter for that giveaway. So without further ado, a little info. I bought these parts with my own money. I did get dealer disc pricing though, as AZ JetBoats is a dealer for HTP Performance. But other than that, I bought these with my own money. And yeah, so let's see what we got in here. Well, I know what's in here. Let's put it that way. Let's check it out because I haven't even opened them yet. And you guys are going to see me struggle with boxes apparently. Oh, it's stapled, that's why. All right. Package good. Let's see what we got. Boxes within boxes here it looks like. So we'll go here. All right. First one out of here is going to be the snoot that I got. All right. And I got these custom black anodized as well, obviously to match my boat. So they're all scalloped for a double drill. I know they only come usually single drilled, and I was asking about it, and if you're only single drilled, there's nothing extra you need to do, but if you got double drilled, you can either have them do it, or these secondary holes, they already come like halfway, and you can take a drill bit and drill them out the rest of the way if you are double drilled. And these are all CNC machined, and man, these are nice pieces here, that's for sure. All right, so there's one here. All right, let's see what else we got here. I just have bolts on my droop right now. I have a droop on there. And I have bolts, so I ordered a double set since I'm double drilled already. Double set of studs for on here to make it easier to put these on and off. And then, here's some black turnbuckles. Those are, I'll keep those around because those will be for another box here. All right. And then these two items, these should be the same thing because I ordered two of these because one of these is for the giveaway. All right. Gasket, double drilled, obviously. All right. So this is HTP Performance's adjustable wedge. These are CNC machined as well, and they are adjustable from -8 to +8 depending on alignment. So there's like little notches on here. So if you line up the notches, it's going to be 0. And then depending on which way you go, it's going to drop your nozzle up or down. And these are on gaskets as well. So you shouldn't even need any. One has double gaskets, one has single. So it should seal up pretty good without the use of so many of the traditional gaskets. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the video, it says it has markings on here for -1, -2, -3, all the way up to -8, and then same thing going the other way for positive. So you line up the notches, look at the number, and that gives you your angle. So, like I said, I got two of these because one of them, I won't crack this one open. So one of these, we're going to do our first giveaway on jetboatcommunity.com. So a little info on that. I know I've mentioned it in previous videos. Basically, I got 3 parts to this. I got JetBoat Videos for obviously the videos. JetBoat Community to get away from Facebook, because Facebook and all their BS and Facebook jail and stuff, I wanted to get away from that. So did that, and then obviously AZ Jet Boats is for the group apparel and parts. So if you want a chance to win one of these adjustable wedges from High Tech Performance, just go to jetboatcommunity.com, and on the forum section there is a giveaway, there's a giveaway forum. So go in there, comment, and I think I'm going to, well, no, I am going to do the drawing on December 1st, so like 4 Sundays from now. It'll be completely random, you know. I'll have a little random generator and everything like that, so that way it's completely just, you know, out of my hands as far as picking and choosing. So like I said, jetboatcommunity.com. And also with the giveaway, I'm going to do a Jet Boat Community t-shirt. Here's the back of it. And then we also got an extra HTP hat as well. So hat, adjustable wedge, and a Jet Boat Community t-shirt. And I'll put links to everything down below in the video for all the parts and how to put in for the giveaway and all that. All right. And all these parts I'm going to be, well, obviously minus one of the wedges, I'm going to be putting on my boat here this winter just to try out some different stuff. I've only been doing general maintenance to my boat here for the last few years, so it's time to do some upgrades. All right. This guy, oh, this thing's wrapped up nice and good here. All right, this guy is what I'm excited for. All right, sandwich plate here, and then I went and got their ride plate. This is, as with a lot of the parts that David does, he does, it's CNC machined. Nice done up, already done for my shoe and ride plate combo. And basically, here's all the hardware and stuff that gets bolted up here, and these rods go like this. And then what he's also done, because usually there's just one hole over here where these rods go down, and you have to twist the rods and get them all done at an angle. Well, what they've done with these, let me get this, is they've notched them. Sometimes you can see them on like race cars and stuff with some of the 4 links. I think it's 4 links. I'm not sure. I don't know. I've never had a car with one on there. But basically, there's these little scallop guys that go in here, and I believe these are each marked for a degree. So basically, these go in here. So there's no, you can set it at 0, and then rather than adjusting the rods one at a time and trying to get them both equal beforehand and then set them, then you don't have to mess with them. And then all you're going to be doing is moving this guy, you know, moving these guys 1 degree and rebolting everything on. And that's going to adjust your ride plate angle. So, because right now, a lot of them are just, I'll show you mine when I start taking my boat apart here. And most of them are just washers or shims underneath, so you're just shimming and trying to guess the angles and stuff. And what they've done is kind of taken the guesswork out of it and notched it into these sandwich plates. So, which is why I got the studs, because right now I just got bolts and I just got the 1 droop and a plastic wedge. So got these because now I'm going to be bolting on this guy, and this guy all at once, so it's going to be a pain in the butt. So with bolts, so that's why I got the studs. And yeah, so like I said, everything came nice black anodized as well, and we're going to be putting that up. Like I said, I'm going to be tearing into my boat here in the next couple weeks. Got a bunch planned, and hopefully do a bunch of videos as well. Changed jobs, so now I'm working from home more, so hopefully I can get out some more videos for everyone. And yeah, that's about it. A bunch of nice stuff. Again, I'll link everything below. If you have any specific questions on anything specific that we showed here, or that I showed here, just comment down below and let me know. Or again, you'll see these in more future videos when I go to install them. And other than that, like I said, For your chance to win a adjustable wedge, jetboatcommunity.com, and check it out. All right, thanks.